Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a timeline on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the last option, the timeline. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photo section in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of the text. If you want to add different graphic elements to your project, click to the object section, and here you can search different elements. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animations, click to the animation section, and here you can search different animations. If you want to add video, in the video section you can search or upload videos. And if you go to the music section, you can find different music and just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.